Welcome to our channel. In this informative video, we will show you how to change Instagram picture after posting. This tutorial we will show you to change Instagram picture after posting. So without wasting a time, let's go toward the video. Before starting a video, we have a little request from you. If you are the new user, please subscribe our channel and like the video. So let's go toward the video. First go to your profile and select picture you want to change. So I select this one from my profile, then click on the three dots. It's noted that some people show you that to click on edit and edit your description, in which will move you toward the change a picture. So it's a totally fake and not working. So and show you that you will do such, but it is totally wrong. So the only one way is that you have to select a picture and click on the three dot, and you see that at the bottom delete. You have to delete this picture from your profile if you want to change. So the only way is to delete it and post a new photo which you want to replace it. If this video is informative to you, please subscribe our channel and like a video. Thanks for watching.